Welcome back to the channel. So I made the last minute decision to go to the Origins meet in Loma Linda today. It starts from 9 to 11. I'm going to be a little bit late, but I heard this meet was going to be really popping, so I definitely had to make sure I go. So there's going to be around 1,000 cars there. Well, at least that was what was estimated, because there's been a lot of shares on the Instagram post, and it seems like a lot of people are going. A lot of people that I follow are going, so this meet should be really good. See you guys when I'm there. This is how you know the meet's popping. I can't even get within a mile of the meet location without finding myself in this kind of traffic. Also seems like someone's car broke down. That's kind of sucks because the meet is literally less than a mile away, but hopefully you get, figure it out and stuff. Even while you're waiting in line, it's a car meet because everyone that's waiting is trying to go to it, so everyone has some nice builds. That Miata's kind of clapped, but at least he's here. I'm gonna be honest, it may be impossible to get into the lot, so I'm gonna have to find somewhere else to park. But there's so many people here. Oh my god, look at this. Holy shit, man. What the fuck? Bro, you just can't make this up, man. There's so many people. I want to say there's at least 1,000 people here, man. Holy crap.
There's Ian right there. The Pistons? Wait, what are they chasing?
I don't know what I'm chasing.
I think it's that.
So unfortunately, I couldn't get into the Origins meet. It was too packed. All the parking was, taken up, and it took literally 30 minutes to move a mile in any direction. So I wasn't able to go and see in person, but luckily for me, my homie Ethan was already there, and he took some footage for me. So all of the footage inside the meet was taken by him. I'm going to leave his Instagram in the link below, but shout out to him. He's super dope for getting me that footage. And hopefully you guys like this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'm out.